In the heart of Montreal's Plateau Mont-Royal neighborhood stands the Bernier-Thibault House, a modest residence transformed into a luminous, tranquil retreat for family life. Designed by Paul Bernier Architecte, the project reimagines an existing home by adding two simple, box-shaped volumes, one placed in the rear garden and the other on the roof, crafted from wood and glass. The garden pavilion serves as a playroom for the children. Framed by large sliding glass doors and shaded by a mature maple tree, this addition opens entirely to the courtyard and is topped with a green roof, blending seamlessly into its surroundings when viewed from above. During warmer months, the courtyard becomes an extension of the home, an extra living room under the sky, forming an L-shaped ground floor layout that embraces the outdoors. Atop the house, a second wooden box houses the parents' bedroom, a serene hideaway reminiscent of a grown-up treehouse. This elevated space offers sweeping views of the city and morning sunrises. More than just a private retreat, this rooftop addition acts as a light well, drawing daylight deep into the home's core. A key architectural gesture is found in the glazed western corner, where a floor opening beneath allows natural light to cascade through every level. It filters through a semi-transparent wooden bridge that floats above the double-height living area, gently illuminating the interior and connecting the upper and lower floors. The second level, where the bedrooms are located, is calm and airy. Each room opens to the wooden bridge, a corridor of sorts that provides views to the garden and the green roof below. The steel and wood staircase, set within this sunlit atrium, becomes a central sculptural element anchoring the space. Material selection is restrained and honest. Oiled yellow birch and oxidized steel define the palette. Locally sourced and modest in cost, these materials offer warmth, durability, and a sense of place, proving that high quality doesn't require excessive luxury. Every detail is thoughtfully executed, showcasing the power of simplicity. By drawing the outdoors in and creating intimate yet interconnected spaces, the Bernier-Thibault House demonstrates how even a compact urban dwelling can feel expansive, light-filled, and deeply harmonious with nature. It is a home that not only shelters, but elevates everyday living, balancing play, privacy, and peace with quiet confidence.